Westen, are you sure about this?
Oh yeah, this is the best way to fix a Raptor, don't you worry. It is a great day. We have all got all kinds of stuff out here. And you know what? Here in Kansas, it is windy. Very windy. Today it is about 40 degrees, but that is about perfect weather for me. I'm fat, I'm well insulated. Now, it has come to my attention that I have 500,000 YouTube subscribers. 500,000, that is a very big number. That's like half the people that live in my state. So, if you hit that subscribe button, I really appreciate you guys. And I can't even think of words to say about it. But, if you have not hit that subscribe button, make sure you do so because we are going to make it to 1 million and we are going up and beyond that. So, let's get to this Raptor. Hey, are you okay? Are you good? It'll be okay. We will fix you. We will make you more than brand new. We will make you like brand new. And we are working on a Ford Raptor. What better day could it be? Now, this is our 19 Ford Raptor. You probably already know that. If you do not, this one here is very customized. And wrecked. Yeah, very wrecked. Now, you might be wondering, what happened to this Ford Raptor? And I'm gonna say it hit a shopping cart in the Walmart parking lot. You know, probably one of them full of toilet paper. For some reason, everybody's buying toilet paper nowadays. I don't know why. But they all are. Everybody wants toilet paper. So I'm going to say that's what happened, is it hit a shopping cart full of toilet paper, and it's slightly damaged. Yes, it needs a few parts. It needs it needs a lot of tender love and care. Now, you do know, if you was here last time, the frame is bent on our Ford Raptor. I was going to hook a tractor to it and straighten it back out, but I decided, you know what? It's a brand new truck. We probably shouldn't do that to a truck this nice. So, I called the Ford guy, and I said, hey, I need a frame for my Ford Raptor. And they informed me that it would take about 2 months for me to get one. I'm like, damn, that sucks. And then, a delivery guy showed up 3 days later and expertly cataloged that.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Good, how you doing? Hell, I didn't even know you was up here.
Y'all ordered that damn thing.
I ordered that damn thing right there. Oh, we got a Chevrolet man bringing a Ford frame.
We're not picky.
Well, we know who's the backbone of Ford. It looks different upside down. I'm sure it's probably the same.
It's fresh out of Detroit.
Is that where you brought it from, Detroit? Grab my skid loader real quick and see if we can get this bad boy unloaded. Oh my God, look how professional you are. You even got the flag on it.
Yeah.
We never got around to doing that much fancy stuff.
I don't like that DOT messing with it.
We just decide, you know, it's time to go sightseeing, see the back roads, see how the country looks. And
I got an app on my phone that says avoid scales. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother.
Oh, in here.
Sunday morning.
We got a frame. We've got a frame.
Now the fun part.
Yeah.
Putting the damn thing together.
You know, I actually didn't think you guys was gonna bring it this quick, to be honest.
First two stop, they've had an order in for over a month.
Really?
Waiting for their frames. And the one before this one just ordered it Thursday. They got it yesterday.
I know, like, we ordered ours and they said, oh yeah, they've been out of order for this frame for like 6 months. Yeah, if I fell off this thing, I would definitely dent it. I don't know, I bought it this way, but look at the other side.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. They hit a tree so hard that there's still wood inside the A-arm. Well, do you need me to sign anything?
Yeah, I got these paid for.
Let me tell you why we actually bought a full frame for this truck. Now, when we first looked at this truck, we noticed, here, I'll just show you guys. We noticed that the frame right here is in fact bent, and it is bent pretty severely, more so that it can't even be pulled. We could not pull that frame out enough because there's just too severe of a kink in it, which you can take and weld a new front frame section onto these trucks. Now, that was a good option that we was going to use until we realized that there was more than just the front frame section bent. Now, when I was talking about welding a front frame section on, you see, there's a weld mark on this new frame. It's upside down, it looks weird, but it is the right frame. Now, this is the front of it, that is the back of it. You could just cut it right there and weld a new front section on. But this middle section here, on our frame underneath the truck, is bent as well. So, you know what that means? We'd have to put a new front frame section on, then we'd have to straighten the middle of the frame, and then hope that we got everything put together right. Or, we can do what we done and just order an entire new frame for the truck. Now, needless to say, this is a lot of work to put this truck together because you have to take every single thing off of this truck. The cab, the bed, the engine, the suspension. Did I say everything? I meant everything. But there is one tool that we need to do it. Now, not saying that I could not get it done with our 95 horsepower jack, and I'm sure you would all think it's entertaining to see a ratchet strap wrapped through that cab and me lifting the cab off with that. But this is a pretty nice truck to drop the cab on. So we need a 2-post car lift to pull the cab off. That way we can take the old frame out and put the new frame back under it. And that's where our problem comes in. Let me show you. So this here is currently the garage that we work in. This is where we do all of our awesome projects like our EcoBoost Mustang. Shh, don't tell anyone. And probably where we're gonna work on the Raptor and all that stuff. But there is an issue with this garage. It's very short. Yes. In garage standards, the door is only 7 foot high. The edge of the ceiling is only about 8 foot. And to the peak is about 11.5 foot. The problem with that is a 2-post lift requires a 12-foot ceiling. So if we could fit a 2-post lift in here, it would clear by inches and you could not lift the car all the way up or the cab all the way up. Excuse me. So that kind of just rules out putting a lift into this garage. I really wish that we could, but it's just not going to work. So what we need to figure out is where around here we could actually put a 2-post lift. Now we are building a new shop, but it's not going to be built till, you know, probably the middle of next month. And still the concrete's gonna have to cure for another month after that before you can really install a lift. So there's a lot of time before that happens. And I don't feel like waiting all of that time to get started on our awesome Raptor out there until we get the new shop built. I get impatient like that sometimes. So I'm going to, I think I have a place where we can actually put the lift. Now it is going to be outside. It's not going to be ideal, but for right now it will work, and then when we get the new shop built, we'll just move the lift into the new shop. Since the lift is being installed tomorrow, that means what we can do today is get the Raptor ready for the lift, which means we'll pull the front clip off, and you know what? I don't need to explain it. We're just gonna get to work on it. So first off, I think we're gonna go ahead and try to move it over here in front of the garage. The bull's getting out. I am a bull wrangling machine! Did you see him? He's so bad wanting to run. He's like, no, oh shit, there's some grass! Oh, damn it, I gotta go! What? This is probably just how the car looked right before they wrecked it. Just both of the front wheels off the ground, flying through the air, everything smooth. Came to an abrupt end, really. It hit a tree, so it wasn't flying when it because there's still tree.
Jump a Raptor into a tree?
Good point, I guess you can.
Yeah.
Throw that jack stand underneath the frame. That's not exactly what I meant.
What do you know?
Oh, I'm just getting the appropriate tool to dismantle a Raptor. What'd you say?
Don't you mean like a wrench?
This is my wrench. See? Reciprocating sawzall wrench. Saw. Oh well. Yeah, it is what it is. Alright. Make sure there's nothing important we're gonna hit back there. Alright. Let's see, what do I need to pull off first? I say we get this out of our way, that way we can get down here to the bolts and start pulling the grill out and the radiators, all that stuff. Yeah, this should work pretty good. All right. Is there anything important back here we could cut?
Westen, are you sure about this?
Oh yeah, this is the best way to fix a Raptor, don't you worry. When your battery dies, but you're still really concerned about getting it done. What butter? Sir, you're out of ammo. You need to reload. Nah, I'm good. Your inventory is empty. Well, okay, I will be back. No, okay, I can't do that. This here's like Excalibur. He who pulls the blade shall be worthy. I am worthy of the Raptor! I really thought I was gonna come around and hit you. Well, let's just say I'm glad you didn't. I thought it was dead. Oh, it just gets tired every once in a while. God dang it, get in there! Ow! I didn't feel a thing. Ow! Didn't feel a thing that time either. I bent my blade. That blade. You ever have problems with your blade just being a little bit too short? Yeah, it happens. Why don't you tell the guy that drove this not to hit nothing important? Just depends. Was the tree important? Well, it was important. He must have had good insurance. Hi. My battery's down. Can you get on with it? I'm actually serious. My battery died. Okay, I'll be back. Damn you, Milwaukee! We're gonna have us a duel in the middle of the street. Bam! Bam! We'll be back after we charge something. Westen, what are you doing? I'm recharging the battery for the Milwaukee. And my feet. My lamber feeties are tired. Sounds like a fast knock. Yeah, a hell of a fast knock, don't it? Dang, it is getting dark. Look, sun's going down. Well, guys, it is getting dark on us, and no matter how much I try, I do not think I can get this three-wheeled Raptor into the garage. So I guess it is the end of today's video. We got a lot of things planned that we're going to be getting done tomorrow. Namely, we're going to be getting a lift, getting the cab pulled off. You know what? I'm not even going to spoil it for you guys. Just come back tomorrow and see what happens. With that being said, if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button with that little bell on, like the Liberty bell. It's just like that. You get Liberty and you get Westen when you click it. All right, I'll see you guys next time.